My name's Todd Roberts. I'm the CEO of the Marine Group Boatworks here in San Diego, California. I've worked with Humphree off and on for probably 15 years. My first exposure to Humphreys was in the Interceptor installed on the U.S. Navy's Mark V patrol boats. And we provided technical support on that fleet of vessels here in San Diego for quite a while. And then most recently, we've interacted with Humphreys on the zero-speed fin systems and have installed a few of them and are very happy with the product and the reliability. Most people that have Humphreys on board tell you how simple it is and how terrific the result is on how it gives them problem-free operation for quite a while with very little need to interact back with manufacturer or even us, the installer. It's a solution that's baked in right out of the box. Good support from factory and technical sales here in the US. The ability to reach back and have programming adjustments or get technical question answered quickly, and also being able to model results from a boat with limited information is the most valuable thing we can get from the manufacturer. And Humphreys is terrific at supporting us. Humphreys has the most comprehensive, fast responding technical report and modeling of potential projects. We found that to be better than competitors, and dedicated technical sales team that's responsive is absolutely critical. That's the difference between having a product succeed and fail. And Humphreys does a fabulous job at having ongoing technical support. I think Humphreys has terrific potential in the 25 to 40 meter range. The fins are easy to install. The electric fin and the small actuator platform is incredibly valuable. So I think the growth market is in that mid-size yacht, and try to get as much performance out of a single or a dual fin operation as you can. Customer demand for stabilization is simple. It's zero speed. Everybody wants to have an 80% reduction at anchor. That's the difference between family enjoying the boat and not enjoying the boat, and it expands the usability of the boat tremendously. So hands down, zero speed operation. I think Humphrey should continue to do a great job with their technical sales team in the US. And I think you should add people to the team and add your outreach. Get the name out there, get more people excited about the terrific product that you have, and get over that hump of people not knowing the Humphreys name, and let them know that it's not just another stabilization product, but it's best in class.